Hello everybody, as usual, I have to do some shopping, so I'm just relaxing here. I'm driving quite far today and I'm going home. So for now, I received a message and then I have to read it first in my mind. Not read it loud, just silent reading. So, well, I still have the same nail polish today. Okay, I have to reply this first. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, I have connection here, so maybe next time I will do the live stream. I still did not do it because I'm still busy for something else, but then I make time for that. Oh. Okay, everyone. Bye. Love you all.